Today we are going to learn about how to make healthy and tasty oats upma. For this we need 1.5 cups oats, 1 cup potato finely chopped, and 1 cup carrot pieces, half cup peas. Need 1 medium sized onion chopped, 1 piece ginger chopped, 2-3 green chillies chopped, a bunch of curry leaves, 1 spoon Bengal gram, and 1 spoon Urad dal, and mustard seeds for seasoning. Keep a pan on the stove and roast the oats on medium flame. Roast it until a nice smell comes. You will get the smell once it is roasted. Transfer the roasted oats into a plate. Keep a pan on the stove and add some oil. When it is heated, add mustard seeds and other items one by one and sort them well. Add the vegetables one by one and mix them well. Now it is time to add some turmeric powder and salt and mix well again, and when it is cooked well, add 3 cups of water and mix well. Then cover it up and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Now remove the lid and stir it well. Now check for salt and then cover it up again on the stove. After about 3 to 4 minutes, open the lid and stir it again. Transfer it to a serving dish and decorate it with coconuts and chopped coriander leaves. This is one of our favorite breakfasts.